This is in Chowkit. Yeah, I am just walking through the Pakistani restaurants in the Chowkit, and you can see the people are sitting because got many items, and people are there is a facility to sit outside. It's nice. It's just I feel like I am in Pakistan. Really, I feel that I am just in Pakistan. That's the main thing. And the majority here, all the Muslims come here to eat. Like the food from Chowkit Pakistani restaurant, I have to see first which is the best one. Then only I know how to sell. And it's started raining here. That's the main thing. If it's raining like this, outside the tables and chairs, they have to move to inside. That's also kind of a problem here, this kind of area. Let me check which area is better for me to have my hungry dinner. Somewhere Pakistani restaurants. Oh my god, not sure. How can I? Okay. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, I do that. That's this all of the Pakistani people staying here, making something. I don't know what things they are doing here, and the thing comes to it's raining. It's a problem. This thing I can make something suits here, something like that. Fucking the rice here, something. Okay.